Hi friends, thank you for joining me for step number 2 with Elaine Marie. How are you today? Well, I added more flowers and I took a pointer and I just dabbed like a dot here and there to make it look like there are flowers at a distance. And then of course your flowers up front will be larger. I did take a snapshot of that. However, if you do not want to do a fence, that is fine. So I have my round brush and I want to go like a light brown and let's see what happens. Listen, we're just here to have a good time. Okay, I thought I would make and run the fence right across like this. There you go. And some of the flowers might be covered. That's okay, that's okay. And I wanted to go a light brown, a brown that I mixed with some white. I didn't want to go a real dark color because everything else is very soft. And before I forget to say this, there you go. I went over my white flowers, and like I did in my previous videos, I make it a little thick, a little thicker. See that? A little thicker with the white. I love the texture. I think it looks really, really cool. So far, I'm loving the color. Okay. So what we can do, let me see. Let me just come here, press down. And that's just about the right width that I want. There you go. Maybe want to right about, I do like that flower, but let me see, maybe right about here. Press down. Okay. And I did let this all dry from the first video. Alright, cool. And this one can be right about here. Press down, go straight down. You may or may not want yours to have a fence, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm liking that. I'm glad I did it, and I like the color. It's a brown mixed with, a little brown mixed with the white, so it wouldn't be too dark. Love it. Oh, I like that. So I'm going to just go one right about here. Okay, I'm going to run that over. Okay. All right, we're going to run that right like that. And I like this. This is makes it a very soft brownish color. Because for me, I did not want a very dark brown, because everything else is very soft with the colors. And if you are going over a little bit of the flowers, that's okay. Mine makes it look more natural. And we'll just say that's an old fence. Oh yeah, I think that looks really cool. Oh my God. Yes. Very cool. Loving it already. Love it. I think I'm going to come up a little higher. Press down. Again, the round brush. Press down. Press down. Yeah, I love that. Oh, I love that. That is really, really cool. And I bet yours is looking beautiful too. Now, what I may do when it dries, because I think if I do it now when it's wet, it might not work, but let me try. Okay. Let me get an angular brush. I did bring out a little dark green. Okay. Now, what I want to do, it may not work now, then I'll wait till later, but I want to take And with my angular brush, come through and dab through like it's a vine. Oh boy, it did work. Coming off and around the fence. We'll do this one going this way. Very lightly. Very lightly. Just gives the fence a little something going on now. And that's what's good about painting. You have to experiment. Yeah, that worked. I wasn't sure if it was going to, but yes, it worked. There you go. Just bring that around a little bit like that. And maybe coming up here, well, maybe we'll just do a low one. There you go. Oh my goodness, I just love that. Everything looks so beautiful. And again, I went higher. I like the white and the red coming right up to the point. Couple dots in the background, red and white or yellow to make it look like everything is further away. There's more flowers. And if you want, while you still got the greenery, okay, I have my angular brush. Okay, we can always come up, okay, you can just make it a little darker. There you go underneath. Oh my goodness, that looks beautiful, beautiful. Let me just pull this up a little bit off the easel. There you go. Now what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to run that through, just like that. Oh, I'm sure your paintings are beautiful. I wasn't sure with the fence, but I love the color. You can make your fence any color that you want, or no fence at all. But I just love this. I am so happy, friends. And I want you to have a great, great day. And when you do the sides, sometimes what I do with the sides, let me see, I can show you, I just run the blue over and the gray on the side. I don't make it solid white. Now you can do what you want with your sides and your top. Friends, thank you for joining me. I'm so excited. Can't wait for you to join me to another video. And I'm just loving my flowers. Bye-bye, friends.